Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel. And is my lighting right? I low-key don't notice the difference, but get the ankles right.
Show the ankles right.
Today we'll be baking, and I'm gonna be making these like strawberry like crumble strudel things. I don't know. They're like, I feel like, okay, I've made them before, but now I'm gonna make them on a grand scale. I'm trying to fill up this entire pan, but I don't know if that's gonna be possible. So I have strawberries, I have everything that I need. The recipe that I'm using will be linked down below. I found it on TikTok. Instead of using apples, I'm using strawberries. And instead of using a lot of cinnamon, I'm just gonna use vanilla extract. So yeah, I'm mixing a lot of stuff up. I'm basically making a new recipe. Call me Sydney the Baker, okay? Sydney's joint dead. Sydney's Bakery now in, what's the word? Full effect. Hands have been washed, so the first thing I'm gonna do is cut up these strawberries. I don't know how much I'm gonna use. I'm gonna be eyeballing a lot of it because I'm not gonna be following the recipe like at all. Low key, I'm just gonna be doing my own thing. Okay, so I have a lot of things to talk about today. I listened to Teezo Touchdowns album like last week, and I'm obsessed. To put it in simpler terms, I am obsessed. It's just like I'm telling all my friends about it, but I don't know if they'll like it. I'm telling everybody I know about it because I'm like, I love it so much. But I don't know if it's everybody's cup of tea. I was gonna write a Substack post about it, but like, guys, I'm falling into my writer who doesn't write bag. And I feel like that's the bag I'm gonna stay in for a little while, even though I wanna go to school for journalism, that's not the point. And then of course, Jaguar 2 by Victoria Monet. I listened to that when it first came out. I listened to like that night. It was something so serious for me. I remember I was in a car and I heard All Right. That song of the year. And I'm so serious. That's song of the year. You heard that beat and you didn't instantly start swaying your hips. You gave me some in bed. I think it is in bed. Like, oh my gosh. People were like, oh, I don't like that. I don't like that there. Oh, you're mad. You hate fun. You're mad and you hate fun. It's just as simple as that. Let me talk about the MTV VMA Awards. That award show was a mess. And then they had the audacity to tell Victoria Monet it's too early in her story to perform at the VMA Awards. Girl, be quiet.
So I have a problem with you. So as soon as we find out who you are, trust you will be dealt with.
Period. They had Renee Rapp up there. But you can't have it. Girl. They had Callie up there, but you can't. Girl. Oh, let's preheat it. I'm adding some sugar to the strawberries. Now I need to melt some butter, guys. Now we're gonna add the melted butter, and then I'm gonna put that other teaspoon in there to wait here, and then I'm gonna make the crumble part in this bowl, setting the other bowl aside, scooting the cutting board up. Okay, so I will not be putting my version down in the description because this is really unserious. I'm low-key making this stuff up as I go. If it's not makeup, why are you following a how-to by me? Why are you following a how-to by me? I literally don't know what I'm talking about. Another tablespoon. I keep saying teaspoon, it's tablespoon. Like, girl. Anyways. So this is how it looks. That butter is definitely melting. Cause why do I hear it? I'm a vibe out today. Okay, turn up. Turn up. Okay, turn up. Hey, turn up. Hey, turn up. So now that I mixed the butter in, it looks like this. I'm just a girl in the world. So now I'm gonna put 2 spoonfuls of strawberries in there. So now that they're evenly spread out, they look really delicious. But now we're about to gag them. Okay, we're gonna put the crumble on top. All right, guys. If the camera's crooked, I tried. Make sure it's going insane in the background. Okay. So this is what it looks like, the finished product. So it's gonna go in the, why is it crooked? It's gonna go, it's still crooked. Okay, it's gonna go in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. And yeah, let's see how it turns out. Then I'm gonna eat it. And eat it. Oh, yummy, 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 eat it. Okay guys, I'm back. And the food is done. The pan should still be hot. So I'm gonna grab it. It like doesn't look good, but like it does look good. There's like there's no redeemable qualities. It doesn't look good, but guys, it smells delicioso. I'm gonna eat this one. Yeah. There's an eyelash in my eye, but whoa, okay, that's like really irritating me. Let's get the bill. Okay. Oh. I feel like most of the strawberries just dissipated. Why I don't like it, guys? Why is it kind of nasty? Wait, I'm not gagged. One of my first endeavors that turns out horrible. Usually things just come out for me when I be making stuff up. I don't know, maybe it's because I ate an ugly one, but the show must go on, okay? So guys, that was me baking. Why was it low-key a fail? Even though the baked good, oh, that's still high. Even though the baked goods didn't turn out that good, I still learned something. I learned that maybe I should follow the recipe to a T. Maybe I should follow the recipe instead of making stuff up. Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and letterboxd, both blondedsydney, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye guys.